Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up vehicle motion cues. If this helps you because you get dizzy in the car while you're texting, please comment down below and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do is open settings. We're going to scroll down and we're going to select accessibility. Then what you're going to do is under vision, you're going to select motion. And then right here under vehicle motion cues, you're going to go ahead and turn the option on. As you can see, when you turn it on, there will be dots that will appear on your screen until you do the same thing and go ahead and turn it off. But you can automatically turn it on whenever you get to a vehicle by selecting this option. Now, the dots that will appear on your screen can help a lot reduce motion sickness. So I hope this video helped you. Remember that you do need to have iOS 18 or up in order to have this feature, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye!